Fourier even and odd function. First, we will recall about Fourier series general formula. Fourier series can be generally written as f of x is equal to 1 by 2 a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where a naught, an, bn are called as Fourier coefficients, where a naught is represented by 1 upon pi limits minus pi to pi f of x dx. It is equation number 1.1, and then an is equal to 1 upon pi limits minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx, equation number 1.2. bn is equal to 1 upon pi limits minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx, equation number 1.3. Fourier series make use of orthogonally relationship of the sine and cosine function. Basis formulae of Fourier series. The Fourier series of a periodic function f of x with period 2n is defined as the trigonometric series with the coefficient a0, an and bn known as Fourier coefficient, determined by the formulae equation 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. The individual terms in an Fourier series are known as harmonics. Even function. Definition. A function f of x is said to be a even function if f of minus x is equal to f of x. Example, x square, cos x are even function. You can take as x to the power of 2 or 4, 6, 8. If it is even, you can take as even function. Graphically, an even function is symmetric about y-axis. In this graph, you can see how a even function is plotted across x and y-axis. When function is even, when f of x is a even function, then f of x sin x is an odd function. Thus, an is equal to 1 upon pi limit minus pi to pi f of x dx is equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x dx. a naught is equal to 1 upon pi 0 to pi 1 f of x dx. an is equal to 1 upon pi limit minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx is equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. Here limit minus pi to pi written as 0 to pi and 2 is taken out of that. bn is equal to 1 upon pi limit minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx is equal to 0. In this even function, bn is equal to 0. If it is a even function, we did not have to find bn, and a0 and an we have to find. Therefore, the general equation of Fourier series become f of x is equal to a0 divided by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. Odd function. Definition. A function f of x is said to be odd function if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Example, sin x, x cube are odd function, and x to the power of 3, 5, 7, 9, these all are taken as odd functions. Graphically, an even function is symmetrical about the origin. In this graph, we can see how a odd function is plotted across x-axis and y-axis. Odd function. When f of x is an odd function, then f of x cos nx is an odd function and f of x sin x is an even function. a0 is equal to 1 upon pi limit minus pi to pi f of x dx is equal to 0. an is equal to 1 upon pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx is equal to 0. bn is equal to 1 upon pi limit minus pi to pi sin nx dx is equal to 2 upon pi limit 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. In this, minus pi to pi limits are changed to 0 to pi and the 2 is taken out from that. Therefore, the general Fourier series equation becomes f of x limit n to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Here a naught and an becomes 0. If the function is odd function, then we did not need to solve a naught and an. We only focus on bn. Let us see one problem. f of x is equal to x square in limit in range 0 to pi and minus 2 pi minus x square in pi to 2 pi. In this question, we have to find the given question is even or odd. We will take first assume we will phi of x is equal to x square and psi of x is equal to minus 2 pi minus x square. Since the limits are from 0 to 2 pi, we will take x as 2 pi minus x. In previous slide, we see that f of minus x is equal to f of x, then it is called as even function.